Hello, I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to turn on captions in YouTube and how to change those captions to Spanish if you need them. All of the videos that I make for this class will be uploaded to YouTube, so this will work for any of them. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the subtitles closed captions, and you'll see that it'll come up what language it's in. So if I play it, it will write what I'm saying in the video.
A quick recap of what we did on the first day of class.
Okay, if I want to change that to another language, if you go into Settings and Subtitles, you can click on Auto Translate, and then you can pick the language that you want them to translate into. So I'll click Spanish. There will be a little bit of a lag because it has to think to translate what I'm saying into Spanish.
So it's just an overview of how you will find things in our Google Classroom. The first thing to know is that on this stream page, you have the Meet link, which is...
So as you can see, it's probably not perfect, but it does a pretty good job of giving you the idea of what I am saying. So if you need to be able to translate, that is how you do it.